Good afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with her, what is this? Bath and Body Works haul. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm just out of the loop right now. I'm just trying to get myself organized and try to get these videos out. And this is a severely delayed video, by the way. I've ordered this months ago. I just didn't have the time. The kids are out of school, and there's a lot of trips that came in and out. I just did not have an opportunity to film. I do apologize, but it's here. I'm sorry that it's late, but I wanted to show you guys what I got from the, I guess the semi-sale that they had in May or March. I want to say May, maybe June. It's mainly all the plugins because candles are dangerous. Not really dangerous. Because I have the AC units, and when you speak to these AC people, they tell you that the sifter, the black pieces of things that come out of the rope of the candle is pretty hazardous to consume often, so I try not to light those things up too much. And now I just went straight to just plugging, using the plug-in, since these are a safer version. It's not being lit up. Plus I have small kids. They get fascinated when they see a lighted candle. Wouldn't want them to set anything off in the house. Wouldn't want them to hurt themselves, so on and so forth. So I've been really focusing on getting these. So I have Ocean Drift again. I had it before and I fell in love with it, and I just knew this was something I would always get. That's the one. I'm trying to find a place to set them. I'll set them right here. The next one is Bronze Goddess. This is a first time purchase. I haven't bought it before, so I don't know how it smells yet. Can't wait to give you guys a little bit of reviews on my empties on how they go. Definitely on my empties, I normally let you know how they are. Here's another Bronze Goddess. This is my favorite, by the way. It's the Bow Tie Bourbon, and it smells quite amazing. This was a purchase. I have this in the candle. I think I also have it in the mist, and this is my second time getting the plugins, and it's my favorite. Another one is Mahogany Teakwood. I just like the scent of these as well, especially for like the office area. This is really good. This is the first time I've ever got pink Procasso. This smells really good too. I've never had this before, so I can't wait to give you guys a review on that as well. Here's another Ocean Drift. Also got another Bow Tie Bourbon. It says, it looks like it's a little different from the original. The label is different. Also got a Sun Washed Petal. This is new for me as well. I got another Black Tea Wolf. The order. I bought this in June, so it wasn't that too far along. A few weeks ago. And I also got a really nice, super cute plug-in. This plug-in costs $7. The fish, if you guys know, I have a fish tank that's older than my children. That's gonna be for downstairs, right underneath the kitchen, the tank. Also got another Sun Washed Petal and Bourbon. I think I did these already. Okay. Let me see. Yeah, Black Tea. Okay, I did these already. I just didn't put it on my lap. I got a hand wash. Only one hand wash. I'll get the rest towards the end of the year. It's This will be the endless weekend. I've never had this before, so I can't wait to try it. And that's it, you guys. That is my very small Bath and Body Works haul. 10 items. And I'm happy with the 10 items I got. So the house was so nice. And I'll definitely let you guys know how they went on my empties when I am done with my quarterly empties. Alright, you guys, continue on being a blessing to others, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye.